Derek Redmond's motivational story. Derek Redmond was a British sprinter who had been training for years to reach the pinnacle of his sport, the Olympic Games. In 1992, his dream finally came true as he qualified for the Summer Olympics in Barcelona, Spain. As Derek lined up for the 400-meter dash semi-finals, he was filled with a mix of nerves and excitement. The starting gun fired, and the athletes burst off the blocks. Derek was running the race of his life, his muscles burning as he sprinted down the track. But disaster struck midway through the race. Derek's hamstring snapped, leaving him writhing in agony on the ground. Medical staff rushed onto the track to attend to him, and it seemed clear that his Olympic dreams were over. However, Derek's father, Jim Redmond, had other ideas. Seeing his son in distress, Jim pushed aside security and rushed onto the track to help his son to his feet. With the assistance of his father, Derek began hobbling toward the finish line, determined to complete the race. The crowd, realizing what was happening, erupted in a standing ovation as Derek and his father made their way slowly toward the finish line. Derek's fellow competitors, including eventual gold medalist, also came over to offer support and encouragement. With the help of his father, Derek finally crossed the finish line to thunderous applause from the crowd. Although he didn't win the race, Derek's courage and determination in the face of adversity made him a hero to millions. This iconic moment has become a symbol of the human spirit's capacity for resilience, perseverance, and courage. Derek's story teaches us that even when we face seemingly insurmountable obstacles, we always have the strength to get back up and keep moving forward.